Generative AI is like having a seasoned advisor who understands the ins and outs of your farm. It looks at historical data, soil conditions, weather, and crop varieties to help decide the best planting schedules and predict how much you're likely to harvest. This guidance helps farmers make the most of each season, avoiding wasted resources and lowering the chances of crop failure. For instance, it might suggest crops that would thrive based on soil moisture and upcoming weather, leading to better resource use and bigger yields. Precision farming is where generative AI truly shines. By analyzing sensor data, it can tell farmers exactly how much water, fertilizer, or pesticide to apply and precisely where to apply it. This takes the guesswork out of farming, so you're only using what you need, where you need it. Plus, drones equipped with AI can survey fields and give real-time feedback on crop health, ensuring each plant gets the right care for healthier yields and lower costs. Generative AI is fantastic for spotting early signs of pest infestations or disease. It analyzes images from drones or cameras, recognizing patterns that indicate trouble. By catching issues early, AI lets farmers take action before things spread, keeping crops healthier and reducing reliance on chemicals. This is a big win for both farmers and the environment. Absolutely. Generative AI analyzes soil samples, weather conditions, and crop needs to recommend the best nutrient mix. AI-powered sensors monitor soil pH, moisture, and mineral content, helping farmers maintain balanced soil health. This precision approach means better crop quality with less reliance on fertilizers, supporting long-term soil sustainability. We all know that water management is critical, and AI helps by analyzing soil moisture, weather, and crop water needs to predict exactly how much irrigation is necessary. This kind of precision ensures that every drop counts, especially in drought-prone areas, helping farmers grow crops efficiently while conserving water. Generative AI drives sustainability by optimizing resource use, reducing waste, and cutting down on environmental impact. By helping farmers apply fertilizers and pesticides only when needed, conserving water, and improving soil health, it's making agriculture greener and more eco-friendly. Generative AI helps farmers navigate the market by analyzing trends, predicting prices, and offering insights into demand and supply. Farmers can use this information to decide the best times to harvest and sell, maximizing profits and avoiding price drops. This knowledge is valuable for all farmers, large and small, in making competitive and profitable decisions. Generative AI helps keep supply chains efficient by predicting demand, optimizing distribution, and reducing post-harvest losses. It can even monitor the quality of produce during transport and suggest rerouting if delays occur, helping fresh produce reach markets as quickly as possible. AI-powered autonomous equipment like tractors and harvesters handles repetitive tasks, navigates fields, and makes real-time adjustments. This automation reduces labor needs and is especially helpful in areas facing labor shortages, maintaining farm productivity and efficiency. Generative AI helps farmers adapt to unpredictable weather by analyzing climate data, suggesting resilient crop varieties, and recommending planting schedules that reduce climate risks. It prepares farmers for extreme weather, helping protect crops and reduce losses. Generative AI levels the playing field, making advanced tools accessible to small scale farmers. With AI powered apps, they can get real time data, advice, and predictions tailored to their conditions. This empowers them to make data driven decisions, improving yields and reducing costs without needing expensive tech setups. Many farming companies are using AI driven tools to monitor crop health, optimize spraying, and predict yields. Drones, sensors, and AI powered software are helping farmers manage their land more precisely and efficiently, turning AI's potential into practical results. The future of AI in agriculture is very exciting. With advances that could lead to fully autonomous farms, real time crop diagnostics, and AI assisted breeding for climate resilient crops. As technology continues to evolve, generative AI will play a key role in making farming more efficient, resilient, and sustainable. Generative AI enhances human machine collaboration by taking care of routine tasks and providing insights that help farmers make better decisions. This partnership lets farmers focus on more strategic work while AI handles data analysis, predictions, and equipment operation, boosting productivity and efficiency. At Xcube Labs, we specialize in generative AI solutions across the agricultural spectrum, from crop planning and pest control to precision farming. Our R&D team is always innovating to deliver tech that empowers farmers, boosts sustainability, and enhances efficiency. Well, we've seen some truly remarkable results. For example, we have helped a major agri-tech company identify counterfeit products in their supply chain, which boosted both productivity and profits. For another client, we improved data visualization to make field comparisons easier and more intuitive. And for farmers in the US, we enabled real time field monitoring through mobile IoT technology. And honestly, we're just getting started. There are so many more success stories on the way. Well, if you're curious about how generative AI can enhance your agricultural practices, we'd love to chat. Click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation with our tech experts. At Xcube Labs, we are here to help you tap into the full potential of AI in agriculture. Thank you.